Hi, my name is Brandy. I'm the founder and CEO of Wake Up Beautiful Spa and Academy. I've been in the aesthetic industry for 18 years, and it's been so rewarding helping people look and feel their best. I believe that translates into confidence they take into every aspect of their life. And what I've enjoyed even more is the intimacy I share with each of my clients. When someone trusts you with their appearance and with their money, they trust you with their heart, and that's priceless. In the 18 years I've been in this industry, we as a business have trained countless medical professionals, and some of them have gone on to be aesthetic superstars. But even more, I couldn't even count how many times I've had somebody ask me, will you please train me? Will you mentor me? Will you help me get into aesthetics? And what I've come to realize is that mentorship and apprenticeship is seriously lacking in this field. So we've designed something totally different. Wake Up Beautiful Academy is not a video training. It is not a 4 or 6 hour or a 1-day training where you have very little, if any, meaningful hands-on. This is a mentorship opportunity where you have a seasoned professional as a coach and a teacher to take you through the classwork, through the practical, and then actually give you an opportunity to intern here at Wake Up Beautiful Spa. When you've finished with our program, you are safe, confident, and ready to start changing people's lives for the better. We can't wait to have you here and welcome you as part of the Wake Up Beautiful family.